puede estar en choque frontal.
For us, it's really impressive to see the level of investment that GWM is making in not only testing the vehicles from a crash perspective, but future technologies. You know, really impressive to see how GWM is leading in this area.
Well, I'm Titania. I am the brand sales manager for GWM Jamaica. So I'm from Jamaica. Definitely the safety lab. So learning that it's like 6 football fields in one space and all the different things that you can do. You're also seeing how you can run the cars over in the bridge just to show that our vehicles are safe. And that's important. We have like so many dummies behind me, and it's really just to make sure that if you're a mother, if you're a child, if you are a woman, even if you are a guy that loves cars, you feel safe and you feel encouraged in a GWM unit.
GWM, go with more.